Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'll be showing you how to attach lace to dhupatta. In that way we can create our own designer dhupatta, which is pretty good, right? So first of all, take any fabric of your choice for making dupatta. Here I have taken 2/4 fabric, but if you are a person who is much taller, maybe you can take 2.5 meter, maximum 2.5 meter, not more than that. And for lace, here I have taken one roll of lace which is of 9 meter. We do not require 9 meter for sure, but then I had it with me, that's the reason I have taken it. Then what we need to do is we need to fold the edge of this lace and keep it over the dupatta or dupatta fabric. And since I have used cut work lace, I'll be keeping this lace little bit ahead than that of fabric. That's because I want to have that cut work pattern to be really visible. But if you are using any normal lace, what you can do is keep both dupatta as well as lace together. Both edges should be on the same level. Then once we reach the corner, we need to fold this dupatta's corner like so. Some people do cut it out. Once they reach the corner, they just cut it out and again keep this lace over it and stitch it. I feel that this is much easier. Not just that, it gives a better finish, and also it is much easier to understand by the beginner as well. And then start stitching over it, and once we reach at the end of the corner, we need to keep the needle just like so, but then put up the footer this footer should be just up, but the needle should be right there itself, and then just rotate the fabric like so, which which I'm going to show you guys right now, which you guys must have already seen. So I'll explain once again. Just fold the lace in such a way that as you guys can see right now, and stitch over it. Once we reach at the end of the corner, just put the footer up and rotate the dupatta like so, and put the footer down again and start stitching. At the edge of this dupatta here, what I've done is I've folded it a bit. That's because it was raw edges. So if you have raw, whenever we have this raw edge dupatta side, raw edge fabric side, fold that side little bit, half an inch or so, so that side is also very neat. And then repeat the same once we complete that 4 corners. Once we reach at the end of the dupatta, then just fold the edge just like so, and then stitch over it so that it's very neat. Okay, and in that way our dupattas one side is completely stitched. Now let's move to other side. This side is very easy. Start from one corner and start stitching, and once we reach at one corner, end of one corner, repeat the same. Just put the footer up, let the needle and thread be there, and just rotate the fabric and stitch it. So in that way, I feel that it's much more convenient, and in one go we can stitch the whole dupatta. That's much easier, right? So I have already done a video on how to stitch lace to sari in detail. Actually, I should say that in better and professional way, but then few people said that it's little difficult for them to understand. That's the reason I made the simpler version so that any beginner can follow. So if you are a beginner, go ahead and try this method, but then if you are a little bit more into stitching, you know how stitching and all, please to watch that video as well. It would be really helpful for you all. Then that's it. Just in that way, just complete the stitching of whole dupatta, and this way it is complete. So I really hope I tried my maximum to explain to you guys, but I know I'm very poor at explaining, but I really hope you guys have understood what I meant. You guys would have loved this video. If so, please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. By the way, I will be doing the stitching of this skirt very soon, very soon. So please to subscribe so that you guys can watch the stitching of this skirt as well. So bye bye, take care, love you all, take care.